Hi, I am Teacher Deck, and our topic for today is ratio, proportion, and fraction. At the end of the class, you should be able to identify the steps in completing a ratio, a proportion, and fraction to represent a figure. Let us look at these figures. As you can see, there are 6 apples and 2 oranges. So we have to compare the number of the apples and the oranges. We can say that there are 6 apples and 2 oranges, obviously. 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. It means that there are 3 times as many apples as oranges. We can also compare the number of oranges to apples by showing 2 divided by 6 or 2 over 6 is equals to 1 over 3. The number of oranges is 1/3 of the number of the apples. In a ratio, we can say that apples to oranges is represented by 6:2. In lowest term, it is 3:1. When we use orange to apples, we can represent it as 2:6, or in lowest term, 1:3. Remember that whichever object comes first will be used as the first digit in the ratio. Let's say the proportion of these figure is 1:3 is equals to 6. The fraction will be used as the number of the oranges is 1/3 as the number of the apples. Let's take a look at this figure. As you can see, there are 8 chickens and 4 horses. The number ratio of chickens to horses is 8:4, or 2:1 in lowest term. What is the missing number to complete the proportion that we have here? 2:5 is equals to 6 is to blank. To figure out what number is missing, we can do this technique. So we will multiply 5 to 6. We have 30. 2 times the missing number will have 30 as the product. You can think of a multiple that will have the product 30, or simply divide 30 divided by 2. We will have the answer 15. 2:5 is equals to 6:15. I will see you next time for our sit work. Thank you.